In today's video, I am going to show you how to monetize your Facebook account. First of all, open Facebook and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down and click on Professional Dashboard. After that, here you can see your page all performance. Now click on this monetization button. Here you can see. In these ways, you can monetize your Facebook page or account. First is the star. You can monetize your videos with people will send you star. You can also set up it by clicking here. Here you can monetize it by adding your information. After that, here you also get many other options like ads on Reel and in-stream ads. In-stream ads you need 5,000 followers to monetize through, and 60,000 minute watch. After this, you can monetize your Facebook page. In this way, you can easily monetize your Facebook account and your Facebook page.